Today we are going to be making our loom for our paper weaving. So once you've chosen the color that you want, the first thing that we have to do is fold the paper in half like a book. So I'm going to take the short ends and I'm going to match them up. Remember, hold it with one hand really tight while you crease it with your other hand. Just like this. Make sure the edge is matched up. Then take your fingers and run them along the edge there so you have a good crease. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to find the folded side and the open side. So the folded side you can't open up, and the open side you can. So we want the open side at the top of the paper. Okay, so at the top right here, so I can open it. So it should be able to open away from me. The fold should be by my belly. Now I'm going to take my ruler, and we're not going to use the ruler to measure. We're going to use the ruler just to draw a straight line. So I'm going to take the ruler and I'm going to line it up with the top of my paper, just like this. And make sure that it's the open side, not the fold. So I'm going to take the ruler, line it up with the top, just like this. And then you need to hold it really, really, really tight with your hand. See how tight I'm holding it? My fingers are kind of turning white like that. Then I'm going to take my pencil, make sure it's straight, make sure it doesn't move. And I'm going to take my pencil, hold it straight up and down, and I'm going to draw a line all the way across. This is our stop line. Now at this point, I like to write my name on the line too. So I'm going to write Mrs. Fisher. And you're going to write your class code as well. Now I'm going to draw some more lines with my ruler, but these lines are going to be vertical. This one is horizontal. Now I'm going to do some vertical lines. These are the ones that we're actually going to cut and weave through. So I'm going to take my ruler, and again, I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to use it to draw straight lines. I'm going to take my ruler and line it up with the edge of the paper this way now. I'm going to hold it tight, and starting at the bottom, I'm going to draw a line, holding my pencil straight up and down, draw a line, stop, at the stop line. Now, I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to slide it over until it lines up with this line right here. So I want the edge of my ruler to line up with this line. You want it to touch. And now I'm going to draw another line. Hold it really, really, really tight with your fingers. See how they're turning white? I'm going to take my pencil straight up and down, up to the stop line. There we go. Now I have two, and I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to slide my ruler over, and I'm going to draw a line up. There we go. Now I have three. Slide the ruler over, line it up with the line, and draw another line. Stop, slide, line it up. Stop, stop, and I don't need to draw another line here because I'm at the edge of the paper. So now I have my lines, my vertical lines that I'm going to cut on.